Good morning. I'm hungry. I want some breakfast. So I'm going to throw something together here. I have 2 eggs with a little bit of heavy cream. I found some leftover mushrooms, some blue cheese, some bacon. So I thought, let's make an omelet, shall we? So what I'm doing is I'm going to take these stuffed mushrooms from New Year's Eve and cut them up into slices. Well, I'll just cut one because I'm only making one for me, all by myself. And I think one will be enough. It looks like enough, I think. Okay. Save those. And actually, I'm gonna get, hello, this bacon. Get some bacon, crumble up a couple of pieces of that. I don't need much, it's just for me. Okay, so got the butter in the skillet. I guess I'll do 2 pieces. Got the butter in the skillet. It was starting to get too hot, so I had to move it for a minute, but look, put these eggs in here. Oh, try not to drop. That makes a lovely mess. Anyways, got the eggs going while I clean up this mess that I just made. And move that around. Turn this down a little bit. It's getting too hot. So what you do is, if you don't know, is you move the eggs over to the side a little bit as they start cooking, and you get the liquidy part over in that section so it can cook. Now, people make omelets different ways, but I like to flip mine over. Actually, I just bought this new blue cheese because the other was starting to get a little bit, well, let's see, moldier. Yeah, that's the word. Blue cheese crumbles are so good. If you've never tried it, make sure you get Dutch because it's a little pricey, but it's worth it because it tastes delicious. Now, flip this over. It's trying to fall apart a little bit. I'm going to put all my ingredients just on one side because then I'm going to flip it over. Flip the other side over on top of it. Okay. Now this is definitely low carb if you're doing low carb. There we go. Now, just going to actually turn that off. I'm going to bring it over here because I don't want my eggs to get any browner. Because to me, the browner it gets, the harder your eggs get. And I don't really care for them like that. But here's a little trick I saw. You put a plate over top of it, and then that helps warm up, you know, your bacon and melt your cheese and stuff. Well, you put your ingredients up. Now, this is my first video, and I didn't put on any makeup. I didn't fix my hair. I didn't do nothing. I just rolled out of bed and came into the kitchen because I was hungry to make something to eat. And I thought, hey, why not make a video? I'm trying to lose weight. It's 2020. Low carb works for me. Hopefully it works for you. So now, I'm gonna actually use this plate to put my food on now. Be careful because it's gonna be hot. But that also will keep your food warm. Now, this is what it looks like. Okay. Now I'm gonna crack it open and show you a bite. Show you my first bite. Get a fork. Okay. Cutting into it. See that? See that? Yeah. Mmm. Mmm. So good. If you like this video, like and share, and I'll make more. Who knows what we're going to be cooking next. I have fine stuff in my fridge and just make all kinds of stuff. Peace out.